Boss Can, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, hey girl. Today the video will be my Chanel unboxing. I've been waiting for this forever. So before we get into that, I'm gonna announce my giveaway that I'm doing. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a Gucci bag, a Gucci Dionysus super mini bag. It's like this big, or Baccarat perfume. I don't know which one, but one or the other. All you have to do is follow me on all social media: TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and when you do all that, comment down on this video. Comment down on this video, and I will choose the winner. And I'll also keep you guys updated with other videos, because I'm only at 100 subscribers right now, so it'll be a little time, but when I make it there, it's lit. But I guess we can get into this unboxing, because this is what you're clearly here for if you click this video. I'm so excited for this one. Like, I've been wanting a Chanel bag forever, like, but I finally made it. Okay, so, but yeah, I can't, I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. The bag that I got was a boy bag, and yesterday was so stressful trying to get this purse. Like, I wanted it yesterday and nobody could tell me no. No one could tell me no, nothing. I had to have this bag. Like, oh, look how pretty it's packaged. I don't even want to unpackage it. Like, it's packaged so pretty. But I finally got it, so that's all that matters. So I'm gonna take the flower off and put it to the side. Are you guys ready to see which bag I got? I wanted a color one so bad, but I feel like for my first Chanel, I had to do black. Like, I had to do black for my first Chanel. Let me bring it closer so you guys can see. Yes, for my first Chanel, I had to do black. I didn't want to rip the tissue paper. Have you guys guessed yet what it is? So I went with the large medium boy bag with gold hardware and lambskin leather. Look how pretty. I'm so excited. Like, oh my god. The size is perfect for me. Like, it's just so pretty. Okay. It's like literally my first time unboxing this bag. I literally waited for you guys. Yeah, I don't even... I'm so in love. Like, it's so freaking pretty. But yeah, I love this size. I didn't even know that this size existed. I didn't even know that this size existed. I thought there was small, medium, and jumbo or large, but this is a large medium, so it's bigger. It's a step up size from the actual regular medium, and I'm glad about that. But I'm gonna open it up. You can't do it. It has the Chanel detailing. It's gonna focus. Oh, it won't focus. But yes, it has the detailing. We stuffed it. I'll show you guys how much room there is on the inside. It's pretty roomy. I know I could fit like, I could fit some stuff in there. But yeah, this is my Chanel bag, guys. I'm so excited for this one. Like, I don't think you guys understand how bad I've been wanting this bag, like, for the longest. And I finally got it. And I just had to do black for my first one, but it's this blue one. I'm gonna like try to insert a picture. It's breathtaking, but I needed black for my first Chanel because I want to be able to put it on whenever, however, whyever, whatever. So this is my Chanel bag, guys. I'm so excited for this. Like, but yeah, it comes with the bag, of course, the dust bag, and then it has the authenticity card. And yeah, guys, this is my Chanel bag. I made it to the CC team because it's lit. No, but yeah, if you like videos like this, please let me know down below. And once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video, and let's get to 1K subs. And follow me on TikTok if you are interested in me, because I post on there frequently. Thank you. See you guys later.